Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Fred. Please, if you're new to the channel, likely hit that subscribe button to join this awesome family. And if you really understand how African markets work, you see why Infinix and Tecno flood the market with all kinds of individuals from low to mid to high-end smartphones. They have a reason for doing this. They want every individual, they want everybody to have a smartphone, which is a good thing. I really like what they are doing. They understand the market very well. This is not a market for expensive smartphones. This is a market for mid or low-end smartphones. So in today's video, I have the all-new Infinix Smart 2 Pro here with me, and I'm going to be unboxing this device with you guys, and I'm also going to be giving this device away to one lucky winner. The rules are very simple. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel, very important, and make sure you follow me on Instagram and my Twitter, and leave a comment down below on this video. And in 1 week's time, I'm going to pick one lucky winner. So without further ado, let's jump in and see what's inside the box. Once you pop the box open, the first thing you see is the phone itself and a label on top of it which houses little information about the device. Let's keep it aside and see what else is inside the box. Moving on, you get to see the USB charging cable, the earpiece, the 5-volt charging brick, which Infinix did not state if it to support fast charging, but I still guess it to charge your device very fast due to the fact that the battery is not that huge. It's just a 3050 milliampere battery. Then moving on, you get to see your warranty card and also your Infinix user manual, your SIM ejector tool, and a smoky silicone case to help protect your device from accidental scratches and damage. Taking the wrap off the device here, you see something that is very small and compact. For a 5.5-inch display, I give Infinix kudos for what they've done here. The device is made entirely out of plastic, and I have no issues with it at all because it's actually what you expect from a low-end device like this. It is decent, it feels nice to hold, and I like the port arrangement and even the camera placement as well. On the back of the device is where you find a dual camera setup, which is a 13+2 megapixels camera. I believe it's the same sensor that they use on the Infinix Hot 6 Pro. And you also have your LED flash with your fingerprint scanner at the back of the device as well. On the right hand side of the device is where you find the power button and the volume rockers. Then moving on to the left hand side of the phone is where you have your SIM slot. Then on the bottom part of the phone is where you have your charging port, your speaker grill, and your headphone jack. A quick rundown on the setup process here. And once you get to the home screen, you're greeted with what you're so familiar with, which is what Infinix has been using across the board on all their devices here. The user interface is what you're so familiar with. It's clean and it's very okay. It's smooth, transitions are very okay, and I don't really have much complaint because of course this is not a high-end smartphone. This is a very low-end device with a very respectable spec, and operation wise it's very okay. On the spec sheet, what you're getting is a 1.5 GHz processor, a 16 GB of internal storage, a 2 GB of RAM, 18.9 aspect ratio, which is a 1440 by 720p resolution, a 3050 milliampere battery, a 13+2 megapixels dual rear camera, and an 8 megapixels front facing camera. And what is running all this good stuff is Android 8.1 Oreo.
I took some images with this device and I'll post them here so you guys be the judge and let me know what you think about these images in the comment section below. At 45,000 naira, I don't really think that price is too bad for a low-end smartphone like this, coupled with the fact that it has decent specification as well. Let me know what you think about this device in the comment section below, and don't forget I am giving this device away to one lucky winner. To enter into this giveaway, like I said in the beginning, just subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, like this video, leave a comment down below and share the video as well too, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.